you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the WAMB 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And a warm start to the work week for North Alabama. We made it up into the low to mid 80s, still at 82 degrees in Muscle Shoals with some thickening clouds off to the west. So still waiting for that next front to move into northwest Alabama. Upper 70s for everyone else. It's also been a windy day today with those gusty south winds, and it'll remain breezy here through this evening, even into the overnight hours with some gusts around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Still a little breezy out of the bus stop tomorrow morning, but not nearly as bad as what we saw today. We saw some peak gusts around 25 to even 30 miles per hour for your Monday afternoon. Again, we are all dry right now on the WAMB 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. All the rain, and again, it's a decaying line of showers and storms. It's still well off to our west. If we put a track on this, and this is moving at about 25 miles per hour, it's going to take until 8:39 for that to move into Red Bay. Florence closer to about 9:11. And again, this is weakening and slowing down, so it may come in a little bit later than that. But again, not expecting much in the way of heavy rain or storms, but best chances coming for areas closer to the Mississippi state line. Rain chances still around 20%, around 11 o'clock tonight and into the overnight hours. And for your forecast tomorrow morning, around 69 degrees at 7 a.m. with rain chances around 20%. Even with a little bit more cloud cover tomorrow and even with that front nearby, we're still going to manage to make it up to 83 for your Tuesday afternoon. That's still about 5 to 7 degrees above normal for this time of the year. Future radar, 8 o'clock this evening. There you go. That's that line knocking on the door. Just starting to move into parts of Franklin, Colbert, and Lauderdale County. As you get into the yellows and the reds, that is likely coming with some embedded thunderstorms. So you saw that lightning threat, still some gusty winds and heavy rain. But watch how this starts to fall apart and kind of slow down here through the overnight hours. All the way through about sunrise Tuesday morning. That's what's left of that. You'll notice close to I-65, so you still may need that rain gear tomorrow morning. And then what's left of this line slowly working off to the east through your Tuesday afternoon. Maybe enough instability to see a few pop-up isolated thunderstorms, mostly for areas closer to Marshall and DeKalb County. But that's what's left of today's front, and it'll continue to weaken. And even though we have that cold front moving in, we're still going to stay on the warm side here, staying in the low to mid 80s all the way through the rest of this work week. This is the rainfall forecast. This goes all the way through 8:30 tomorrow evening. About a trace to a tenth of an inch of rain showing up throughout North Alabama. Some areas showing 0.00. So that's the front moving in tonight. We have our next cold front that'll be moving in by Friday and into Saturday of this upcoming weekend. It puts down about another trace to a tenth of an inch of rainfall. So that's pretty much it for the next 7 days. And there's a look at that next cold front moving in by Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Looks like we'll stay dry all the way through Friday night football. Takes until the early morning hours on Saturday into Saturday afternoon that we start to see the better chances for rain. And then what's left of that moves off to the east into Georgia. And we are back to dry conditions into your Saturday evening. 7-day forecast, 83 for a high tomorrow, and then up to 84 on Wednesday. And look at Thursday. That should be the warmest of the next 7 with a high of 85. And then that rain chance, that 20%, that's mostly for late Friday night and into the overnight hours. 40% chance for that first half of the day on Saturday. And we're back down to the low 70s. So much cooler air moving in behind that cold front. And look how we finished up the weekend. 70 on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. So finally starting to feel like mid-October by this upcoming weekend. But until then, we're going to continue to see these warm afternoons.
Hey,